Hey guys, so last week I got this tiny little drone. It's the DJI Mini 2. And on this channel we make things with Arduino, so I'm going to make an Arduino control the drone. First of all, we have to get a little plate. We can build the system on it. We need 4 servos to control each joystick. For that, I have some servo mounts and we put it on the plate. So now we've got that in place, we can install the servos. It's very important to put the servo in line with the joystick. That way you can control it easily using each of these servos. Before we can get any further, we need to make the little arms that control the joystick. We're going to do that in SolidWorks and 3D print the parts out. First of all, I'm looking for a mouse pad because this is not going to work. We're going to make a sketch. Let's see. Make the circle. That circle is going to be the dimensions of this circle. And it's 2 centimeters. Then there's a screw in the middle, so we have to make a hole in it. Okay, so now we're done and now we can print it out and test it. Okay, so while we wait for that to print, we're going to install the last servo. And that one is going to push the return to home button once it's done flying, so it will always land on the same spot. So that's done. We're going to wait for the 3D printer to finish and then we're going to install the Arduino, battery, a step down converter because the battery is 12 volts and we need to step it down to 5 volts because these servos work on 5 volts. So now I'm going to write down each rotation of the servo so I can control the drone later with that. Okay, so now I've programmed a little flight. Let's go test it outside with the drone.
So
If you enjoyed the video, please like it and subscribe right there. Also let me know in the comments what you want to see in the next video.